Do Protestants have a canon problem? No, that's the short answer. Often you'll hear this phrased in one of two ways. Where's your infallible list of infallible books, or how do you know you have the canon? Well, that's easy. The second one is pretty quick to answer, and I have 3 long-form videos on this. One, in fact, which demonstrates Rome has a much more serious canon problem than the East or Protestants do, so check that out if you're interested in that. But we know that because the sheep hear the shepherd's voice, and we can trust, just as God guided our ancestors before us into his scriptures, he has continued to guide the church into his scriptures today. And on the first one, if Rome doesn't have an infallible list of infallible declarations, then we don't have a problem here either. Even if they do, we don't have a problem here. Why? Because there's no issue with fallible recognizing infallible. The sheep know the shepherd's voice. This is how the church has always operated. It's why the East have an open canon for the most part. It's why there have been varying canon lists. There has never been an issue with having a fallible list of infallible books. That's just never been a problem for the church. The only reason it's a problem is if you assume that there must be a epistemic certainty of like absolute certainty, which is just not how human beings function in any sphere of life. This is not Manning's attempt for having absolute 100% certainty of everything and making an infalsifiable magisterium for Rome in his mind, or how the papacy says it, therefore it's true. No, that's not how this works. We do not have to have this absurd level of epistemic certainty in order to know these things.